The Balinese topeng makers and dancer. Meaning of topeng. The word topeng in Indonesia translates to mask or a covering for the face. The means something that is attached to the face so that the real face cannot be seen. The Balinese call the mask as tutup or tapel. For them, tari topeng, mask dance, is a dance in which the dancer wear tapel to mask their face to portray the roles they are playing. Topeng as a work of art. His 18 years dedication to the art of mask making path made Buddhatama as one of the Bali's renowned mask maker. From his home Turnet studio, the Buddhatama mask located in Mas Ubud, Gianyar, where many are mask makers, his masks find their local and international buyers. Born and raised in Bali, Made Buddhatama is devoted to his home island. He started making masks since he was a teenager, picking you the skill from his father. His artistic talent has sharpened him into a sought-after wounded mask carver. In Bali, art objects worn on the face to represent facial expression and character are not only related to dance or theatrical performance. It is also an important part of their religious rituals as well as traditional ceremony. In the hand of Made Buddhatama, the traditional values of the Balinese mask are able to blend with modern elements, giving his mask distinctive character. Made Buddhatama believes that in every process of mask creation, one need to fully immerse oneself in it. For example, when he was asked to make an old mask that is often used in religious rituals, he put his mind and soul to it. Other than modern creativity, being mindful is also crucial to the craft. Type of mask. It takes Made Buddhatama 2 to 3 days to make one mask, starting with carving the mask shapes from a piece of rectangular wood to something until finally painting it to create a piece of mask art work. In his work, Made Buddhatama is assisted by his wife, although the process of sandpapering, painting, drying, and the finishing touch are all done by Made Buddhatama himself. Made Buddhatama must range from 400,000 to millions or rupiah, depending on the mask difficulty level, as it still relies on traditional methods. Judging from the time it takes, Made Buddhatama's masks are different than those worn at religious ceremony. The mask for religious ceremonial take longer from the coping of the tree for the wood to the creation of the mask all require its own ceremony, not to mention that its process must follow the Balinese calendar good day. The mask dancer, sacred masks are only used during religious ceremony at the temple, such as those worn by the young people of Mas Ubud village during the Odalan anniversary of the village temple. The takes place on every 6 months. Several types of masks are used in the dance during the temple's Odalan. There is the topeng keras, strong warrior, topeng tua, elders, topeng penasaran, royal servants, topeng ratu, royalty, and topeng sidakarya, worker who does his job perfectly. In this sacred ceremony, the young villager from Bale Laos Village Temple, Mas Ubud Beli Mujasa, 32, Gustut 17, and Gustu 41, played their parts wearing the mask. Beli Mujasa wore the warrior mask, Gustut wore the elder mask, while the Panasar mask was worn by both Beli Mujasa and Gustu. The royalty mask, topeng ratu, and the Sidakarya mask were worn by Gustu. The young man firmly uphold the Balinese value of sincerity in sincerity by giving their best performance in the temples Odalan.